Why is John the Baptist considered as the greatest among the prophets? Or in today's gospel, nobody
has been born
has
of a
been
woman
born of a woman
greater
greater than John the
Baptist.
Baptist.
It is not his
It is not his stature.
It is not
It is not his position,
but his
his humility that makes him so great.
Alam niyo po,
The word humility comes from the word humus. Humus in Latin means soil or ground.
When one is
humble,
he
he is very grounded.
He is attached,
He is
to, the
attached to the soil.
And this
And this
describes
best
John
John
the Baptist.
the Baptist.
There was a moment
In the life of Jesus
that he was
discerning
his mission
and vocation.
At one time,
he thought that
John the Baptist
is
the one
he was supposed to follow.
John the Baptist,
had already a lot of followers.
and he could have
made himself great
by attracting
people to himself.
But he was so humble.
He was so grounded
that he
acknowledged his vocation
and
role as the precursor of the Messiah.
And he told,
I am not the one.
He is the Lamb of
He is the
God,
Lamb of
not
God,
me.
not me.
And I am not
And I am not even worthy to untie
his
his sandals.
What humility!
What humility!
Humility so
great
that
that
made John the
Baptist
a very
important figure in the history of salvation.
And yet to this gospel
still
tells
tells us
that whoever
is humble among us
could be greater than John the
Baptist.
We have the potential
To be great
in the measure
that we are humble.
in the measure that
We acknowledge our own role in life.
I would like to believe
that it's difficult to enter heaven when we are proud.
That's why
the gate leading to the place of the birth of Jesus,
Bethlehem.
It's
very
very
low
that you have to bend.
My dear friends,
It's very difficult to enter heaven
if we
boast
our
of our
apparent
successes
and
positions
and
statures in life.
We have to bend
low.
It's like
John the Baptist saying,
I am not the one.
I am not the one.
I do not attract
people to myself,
But He is the one.
He is the one.
He is the Lamb of
He is
God.
the Lamb of God.
I hope and pray
that this Christmas brings us to this realization
that we have our
role in life.
The moment we
acknowledge our role, however small,
that is already
greatness
greatness
like that of John
the Baptist.
the Baptist.